continue to play a significant role in energy production for many years to come. To cope with tomorrow's demands for more sustainable production, Framo is launching an upgrade program to meet new rules and regulations. This ensures that your Framo equipment lasts for years to come, minimizing downtime and maximizing your ROI. First, we perform a site survey, collecting the current status of your Framo systems and agree on the scope of the work. Our engineering department collaborates in multi-user AR space to design and review the upgraded design. Framo fabrication utilizes the most modern production tools available, ensuring Framo quality throughout the process. The upgraded equipment is full-scale tested before it is shipped to installation. Framo certified personnel install and commission the upgraded systems. The Framo system is now ready for 20 to 30 years of extended lifetime within the new emission rules and regulations.